Yeah, she's in the part one, it's called. I quite enjoy his series. Sorry. I mean the series, but enjoying it at the same time because it's not about what's going on right now in 1977. Why is that acting now? I hope you all enjoy my happy. My god, are you serious? Elliot, on YouTube and again. Well, I was. You can see it. On YouTube. But, yeah. She comes in chat. Let's see it. So, she's like, I don't know if Snowflake Girl has subbed to my channel, but she's actually going to be a friend or a mum, I'm not sure yet. So, yeah.